Delicious Trini-style chicken pilau, an easy one-pot recipe that I am going to make today using some items from Karibe. So as always, I start off by prepping my ingredients. I'm using Karibe's chopping board here, and I'm going to chop up half of a brown onion, 1 carrot and 1 spring onion stalk. Putting this to the side, I now have 2 chicken legs that I've cleaned, and I'm just going to cut them into small pieces, leave the bones in and also take off the skin. And I season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, a tablespoon of all-purpose and 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. Then I use a bit of oil to help me massage the seasonings well into the chicken. Using Karibe's cast iron skillet, I add in 1 tablespoon of oil and then about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then I'm going to cook that on a medium temperature until it starts to caramelize like you see here. Then I'm going to chuck in my chicken, turn the temperature up and brown the chicken on both sides. The chicken will naturally make its own juices in that caramelized sugar as well. Once your chicken has browned, I add in my onions and a bit of thyme and I mix that all together. You want to let that cook together for about 5 minutes on a medium to hot temperature, and then I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of cooked rice, about 1/4 cup of gungo peas which have been parboiled, and then I'm going to mix everything together. I've got some coconut milk. I have about 200 milliliters of that. I add that to my skillet along with 1 chicken stock cube and a bit of extra water so that the rice is well covered. And finally, I also drop in my carrots as well. So now the final stage is just to let it cook low and slow until it softens up. I cover my skillet with some foil just to help with this cooking process, and this is the final result. A delicious, flavorful one-pot Trini-style chicken pilau. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to check out all of Karibe's kitchen products on their website too.